Okay guys, so welcome to TriKdanG channel, and this is the test flight of the new paper airplane. So now thread up at 30 to 45 degrees. Okay, so it's fly very well. This plane is not designed for a distance, so to throw the plane, do not thread too hard, otherwise it may crash. So let me thread hard and show you guys how terrible it is. You see that? It doesn't fly straight, it just make a turn. However, let me adjust the wings, fix the head. Okay, and I will thread again. This time I will thread slightly. Okay, hold the plane right here, and I'll just make the throw like this. Hold the plane, make a throw. See, it's fly very well. Again, this is a short distance plane, doesn't fly very far, but this is very nice.